I'm going to be unboxing the PS5 Pro. So, let's get right into it. First, I'm going to unbox the vertical stand for it. And this doesn't come with the disk drive, but that's okay, because I never used the disk drive on the Slim that I unboxed earlier. Got my unboxing knife. Do it like so. Having issues. Okay. Now, there we go. Anyway, you get a box in a box. Here's the reveal. You get paperwork, the stand, a plate that I won't use, and then the stand itself. Which looks like so. Set it back in the box for now. And it comes with a little screw, so you can screw it on. Set that to the side. Now we're gonna do the big reveal here. So I'm gonna try not to wreck the box this time. So I'm gonna lay it down, cut it. Make sure you guys get a gander at it. Actually, I need to flip it around the other way. If it wants to come out. There we go, it's coming out now. I don't want to ruin the box. There we go. Set this to the side. Set it back up. Set a nice PlayStation logo. Flip it around and open the top. Get these stupid stands that I won't use. Power cord. HDMI. Type-C to Type-C cable. And the controller. It's the same as the PS5 Slim. Put it back in there for now. And now, fine. Okay, so it's telling me to slide it out. But okay, down here, get some paperwork. Some more paperwork, and then the PlayStation itself. Move the box all the way so you guys can see it. Move these. if I can get it. Here she is, folks. The PS5 Pro. It's definitely taller than the Slim, and these veins make it look really cool. But anyway, that will be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye.